Blackout Bingo can display a different currency when your account, device region, or store settings are using different location information, so changing random settings is usually not the best first step. By the end, you'll know which account, device, and app settings to check when Blackout Bingo shows the wrong currency. Start inside Blackout Bingo and check whether the currency is wrong everywhere or only in a specific area, such as the balance, entry fees, rewards, or cash out screen. This tells you whether the issue is a general display setting or something connected to a particular transaction. Next, verify the region on your device. On iPhone, open Settings, select General, then Language and Region, and check the region setting. On Android, open Settings and look for Language, Region, or similar regional settings, depending on your device manufacturer. Make sure the selected region matches the country where you normally use the account. Then check the account and store settings connected to the device. The Apple App Store and Google Play can use regional information when determining which version or payment configuration applies to an app. If your store country and device region do not match, correct the settings before troubleshooting Blackout Bingo itself. After changing a regional setting, completely close Blackout Bingo and reopen it. If the currency still looks wrong, sign out and sign back into the same Blackout Bingo account you normally use. Avoid creating a new account just to test the currency, because that can make it harder to determine which profile contains your original information. If you recently moved countries or changed your App Store or Google Play region, do not repeatedly change the region back and forth. Store region changes can affect other apps, subscriptions, payment methods, and available content. You should also check whether the displayed currency is actually a currency conversion rather than a display error. If Blackout Bingo shows one currency for a game entry and another currency for a cash out or account balance, take screenshots of both screens. That gives support a clear comparison. If the device region, store region, and account are correct but Blackout Bingo still displays the wrong currency, contact Blackout Bingo support through the app or its official support channel. Include your country, device type, the currency being displayed, the currency you expect, and screenshots showing the problem. The main checks are your Blackout Bingo account, device region, and App Store or Google Play region. Correct those settings first, then restart the app and check the currency again. If the currency remains incorrect after those steps, contact support instead of repeatedly changing regional settings. Like this video and subscribe for more Blackout Bingo fixes.